Hey everyone, welcome back to BI's Level Up. If you're ready to turn your TikTok addiction into a source of income, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of making money on TikTok. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and fatten up your wallet. Step 1. Building a strong TikTok presence. Before the cash starts rolling in, you need to establish a solid presence on TikTok. This means finding your niche, understanding your target audience, and crafting content that resonates with them. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your viewers. The more people you connect with, the more potential your content has to go viral. Step 2. Leveraging TikTok's monetization features. TikTok offers various monetization features that can help you earn money directly from the platform. One of these features is the TikTok Creator Fund. The Creator Fund allows you to earn money based on the performance of your content. The more views you get, the more you can earn. Keep in mind that eligibility criteria apply. Step 3. Sponsored content and brand partnerships. One of the most lucrative ways to earn money on TikTok is through sponsored content and brand partnerships. When your content gains traction, brands might approach you to promote their products or services. Make sure the partnerships align with your content and values. Authenticity is key, and your audience will appreciate genuine recommendations. Step 4. Selling products and merchandise. Got a killer catchphrase or a unique logo? Why not turn it into merchandise? TikTok creators often sell their own branded products to their loyal fans. From t-shirts to mugs, the possibilities are endless. This not only brings in extra income, but also strengthens your connection with your community. Step 5. Going live and receiving gifts. TikTok Live is another avenue for making money. When you go live, your viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be converted into real money. Going live allows you to interact with your audience in real time, answer their questions, and showcase your personality. And there you have it, your guide to earning money on TikTok. Remember, success on TikTok takes time, effort, and a dash of creativity. Whether you're leveraging the Creator Fund, working with brands, selling merchandise, or going live, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow TikTokers, and subscribe to BI's Level Up for more tips on turning your passions into profits. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now go ahead and unleash your creativity on TikTok, and who knows, you might just be the next viral sensation. See you in the next video.